stall turnaround. Turns it on a dime and gives you 9 cents change. A very quick aileron roll. Now, Kent Pietsch travels all over this country and up into Canada, and he still flies this airplane everywhere he goes. And with its 85 horsepower motor, it gets him a blistering 90 miles an hour traveling coast to coast, east to west, and north to south. The Roundhouse, or Barnstormer's Loop. Circling around the VHF omnidirectional range antenna, that little inverted ice cream cone there in the center of the field, used for navigation. He stalls the airplane, another quick hammerhead stall turnaround. Now watch him as he goes up. Keeping this up close and personal like the barnstormers of the 1920s and 30s. The 4-point hesitation roll. Of this very, very small vehicle. He's got a wind that's almost, no, it's switching off to about 30 degrees off the right side. So that's gonna blow him off to the left. He's gotta work his way in. Oh, can he see it? Let's see here. He's gonna try to get the wheels, almost. He's down on the deck. Nope, not enough time. What he wants to try to do, Kent Pietsch off to the side, looking down at the landing spot, matching the speed, and then moving himself directly over the deck. Now, looks like he's made contact, and I'm seeing the rudder. He's using the rudder pedals to kind of walk the wheels up the deck. Let's see if he can make it. I don't know if he's gonna make it. He's just about out of space. Nope. Say lock him down, so let's listen for that. Third time might be a charm.
Lock it down, lock it down.
Oh yeah, he got him in. Salinas, a big round of applause if you will. The one and only Kent Pietsch.